In this recorded webinar, I created 30 videos that explain how to make AutoCAD drawings in 2D, 3D, and solid models. If you would like to create these drawings, contact me by email or phone, and I will mail you my CD. Thank you. This is practice exercise number 6. First thing we do is to click on the left side so as we can make it active. Then I'm going to switch to model space, and I'm going to make sure that we're on that layer 1 is current. Next I'll draw a line. I'll enter anywhere on the screen, it doesn't matter. I can draw it here, to enter, and draw it up here like that. I can also draw another line to repeat the command from here up, doesn't matter. I'll zoom with the window to enlarge it. I'm going to rotate, RO, enter. I'll rotate the line on the left from its base point counterclockwise, so it's simply 36. Enter. Rotate the line on the right, on the left rather, from its base point minus 36. Enter. F enter for fillet, radius 0. Clean up that intersection. Then I'll copy, CO enter, this line here, and I'll move it anywhere. I'll do the top view first, here. Enter. I'll offset, O enter, that line 1.38. 1.38. Enter. I'll draw a line from this intersection up, enter, twice to repeat the command. Draw a line from this end up, like so. And I'll draw a line from the center up. And then I'll go to fillet, F enter, radius 0, and clean up these intersections. Repeat the command. And also I can trim, TR enter, that line and that line, enter. Now I can offset, well, I might as well draw the right side view. I'll draw a line from here like that. Then I'll simply copy this line. And I'll draw another line, you can call it construction line, and I'll offset, O enter, 0.75, enter, in this direction, enter twice to repeat the command, offset 1.38, enter, from here over to here. Now I'm going to offset, so I just repeat the hit enter twice. 0.75, enter, and this line goes up. I can type F enter for fillet and clean up. Try it again. F enter, hit escape whenever you're in trouble. I can fillet these two, hit the space bar, fillet these two, hit the space bar, etc. And that view looks okay. Now I want to copy this line and bring it over here somewhere. And I can extend, EX, enter, extend to that line, enter that one, enter. So the front view and the right side view are okay, but the top view is still wrong. So I'm going to O, enter, 0.75, enter, bring that down. Then I'm going to draw a line from this intersection here, like that, hit enter twice, like that. And I want to trim, so I'll type TR, enter. I'm going to trim what? From this line, enter that. I'm going to trim from this line, enter that and that. I'll type F for fillet, and I'll clean up that intersection. F for fillet, clean up that intersection, and the three views look correct now. I want to proceed to dimension, so I have to go to the layers and make the dimension layer current, and I can start using linear dimension. Scale is 1:1, so I don't have to change the dim scale. Also, I want to move, M, enter. Move these apart. I can always move them back to give me room for dimensioning. So I'll put another dimension from here to here, like that. Another dimension from here to here, like that. As far as the angles go, well, you need to have two lines to dimension an angle. So I'll draw one line there, another line here. I'll go to the angular dimension, select these two lines. Try it again. Angle. Here's one line, here's two lines, like that. Hit the space bar to repeat the command, go counterclockwise, like that. So the drawing seems to be complete as far as the three views and the dimensions are concerned. Next, you'll want to draw the solid model. So you click on Layers, make Solid Current, use Zoom real time to shrink it down, pan over a little bit. I can use the Polyline and trace over the triangle. C to close. M, enter, L, enter. Pick it from any point, take ortho off, and move it up here. And the same with the small triangle. I'll use a polyline. I can trace over the triangle, C, enter, M, enter, L, enter. Then I can move into southeast isometric view, and I can pan like that, zoom with a window to enlarge the screen, to enlarge the views. Now I'll type EXT, extrude. I'll extrude the small triangle first, and that's going to be a distance of a height of 0.63. I'm also the Enter key because I want to extrude the large triangle to a height of 1.38. And I'll go to the 3D rotate command and I'll select both triangular blocks, pick a point, and I want to rotate them counterclockwise, so it's simply 90, enter. I'll shrink it down so I can see them better. Now I want to move, enter. I want to move that small block, enter, from this base point here in the front. Oh, what happened? Escape, undo. I want to move that block from that point to that point. Then I want to subtract from the big block, enter, the small block, enter, and see if it's right, so I'll shade it. It looks okay, so I'll Z, enter, E, enter, move to top view, click on layout button, click on layer button and make layer viewport current, take off snap, type MV, enter, make a large window, enter, make a smaller window, enter, double click inside the small window, go to southeast isometric, pan and zoom, pan, zoom, and zoom some more with real time. And I can double click outside to get into paper space. I'll click on the large viewport. The scale is 1:1, so I'll go down to annotated scale, click on 1:1, double click inside the viewport. Now I can pan. You don't zoom in here or you change the scale. So I can pan. Everything looks okay, so I'll just double click outside. Now I want to zoom a window just around the solid and see what it looks like. So I'll go to view, orbit, continuous orbit. No, it won't work until I double click inside. View, orbit, continuous orbit, and we'll see what it looks like. I went kind of fast, but that's alright. I'll stop it. It looks okay. I'll exit and zoom previous. Double click outside to get back into paper space. Z, enter, E, enter. Everything about this job looks okay now. So I'll go to layer, make layer 1 current, freeze layer viewports to hide the two windows, the green windows. Well, that's it for number 6. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next exercise. Thank you for watching.